When should you be scared of this market? I'm going to show you. I'm going to give you some price analysis that can guide you on your journey. It's simple, clean, technical analysis. If it's that interesting, drop the like, give me subscribe. Take a look at this. Not financial advice. It's just simple stuff. What we have here is Bitcoin on the 2-week time frame, and I'm using moving averages. I've got the 21 moving average, which is the green line. I've got the 50 moving average, which is the orange line. And I've got the 150 moving average. You don't hear many people talk about the 150 moving average, especially on the 2-week time frame. Maybe I'm the only one that's going to be talking about it, but it's powerful because it shows you where the bottom of the cycle kind of is. Like if you look back in 2018's top, we saw a massive fall down in price. Bang, it capitulated right at the bottom here, which means if you was watching this chart, when price fell down to this red line, and if you bought this dip, if you bought this right here, when it kissed this red line, you had the buy of a lifetime. And it doesn't come often. The next time that we had the opportunity to buy it down when it pierces this red line or comes to it was C19 right here. Had you have caught the buy of an opportunity, even if it pierced through, my gosh, the money you would have made. And, you know, this goes right back from, where's this? This goes right back to, well, you can see, look, this is 2015 cycle. I got in the market 2015. Look how this red line had a disgusting drop. You know, this doesn't go further back, but as far as it can go, it's almost kissing the red line. That's an opportunity to make an absolute amazing buy in this market. I'm using these like traffic lights. You got the green, the amber, the red, right? When should you be fearful of this market? Like seriously scared, because there's people right now watching the channel. You're scared. You're seeing prices fall. You're unsure on what's going on with the market. You're scared. I get it. I've been in this market. I'm scared. I've been scared, but I'm more focused. I know what I'm looking for. So when I show you this, you're going to leave this. You're going to like and subscribe, hopefully, leaving with more confidence, knowing where you are in the market, so you're not fearful anymore. If price action from the bear market, look, come down, there's your red. It come close to the red. You bought it because you saw this at the red. Price action breaks above this green line and orange line, but more specifically floats above this green line. You are great. Ride the wave like a boss, because it's going to surge it in a bull rally. This is just going to bounce off it and just fly like what you saw, right? The time to be fearful is when we see it have its blow off top, which you may not even know, you might not realize it's too late, but when it starts to come to this green line and pierce through it. If we see it start to pierce through it, you got a wick here, you got a wick there, you got a few candles underneath, loads of candles here, that's your damn sign that you should be scared of this market. Seriously. You got the amber alert, which if you've missed this first green opportunity to take profits, this is your last chance, right? This is when you should seriously be fearful and scared. Because if you don't take profits while it's bouncing off this orange line, that's it. You're going to witness the most disgusting drop you've ever seen, which is over a 50% dump of your money just gone. $1 million turns to $500,000. 100,000 turns to 50 grand. Your $2,000 turns to $1,000, whatever it is. You liking it? Let's take a look at the next cycle. So we saw the C19, the buy of a lifetime off this 2-week chart, 150 moving average. Right here, you saw it, you caught it, you bought it like a boss. This thing surged. Price went up, went above the green line. It bounced off the green line. Look at this. So when should people have been scared? They should have been scared when they saw this come down and start to pierce this green line. You see it here? That was your warning sign. You're lucky because it came up, gave you a second top. People should have took profits then. But look at this. It pierced the green line again. This is when you should have been scared. This is simple analysis. You can show your kid this. You can say to your 6-year-old, tell daddy when these green bars or red bars go through the green line. If it goes through the green line, then daddy needs to sell or mummy needs to sell. It's so simple. Hopefully you like and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be bringing more of this. I haven't done much analysis because I've been looking at the AI space and the market, trying to catch the buyers and show you guys the opportunity. But when the market gets serious, I need to share some analysis. And when I do, you should seriously pay attention. I'm not fearful right now. Why am I not fearful? Before I get there, take a look at this. So if it gets to this orange line and starts kissing it, we see the candles, the wicks, and it pierces through it. my gosh, if you missed the sell of an opportunity here on the green line and you still haven't sold it and we're kissing this, take some damn profits, because if it pierces, you're going to be met with a disgusting drop. 58% dump. Who's paying attention? When should you be scared of this cycle? Let's take a look at where we are. Right now, Bitcoin is clean above this green line. We're nowhere near the green line. So for many people that are watching that are fearful, why? Because, yeah, Bitcoin's at new price discoveries all the time. We've seen Bitcoin surge up, 593%. Are you still one of those people that think that we haven't had a bull market yet? Or an alt season? Because we've been having it. It's just been in stages. It hasn't been the way you would have hoped. But I still think there's more room to come. Look, Bitcoin could fall down. It could fall down and kiss this green line, which is about $78,000. That would shake the flipping market, get people shook if it goes down to 78,000. But if it doesn't pierce it, just like what happened here when we had this call-off period and it sort of hovered around this green line, it didn't come to the amber. We weren't on no amber alert. When you're on amber alert, you best get out. But we're not on no amber alert. We're not even no green alert. We're up here. So I hope this gives you an insight to the market where it can go. But we don't have long left. At some point, this will blow off top, parabolic euphoric moment, and then it will come down. It will pierce the green line, and it's going to have a disgusting drop. You're going to lose a lot of money, and then it's going to come down here. You're going to be wiped out with more money, but you're going to hope it's going to go up. You'll probably throw more money in thinking you're catching the dip because you're not watching this. You're buying the dip. I'm not. I've already sold at that point. I made my money. Your people will buy the dip, and then they'll have a disgusting 50 to 60% dump, piercing through all of that. Damn, coming right down here somewhere, all because you was not paying attention to some simple chart analysis right here. So if you don't want to miss it, like and subscribe. Stick around. I'm gonna show you when I'm selling. Patrons will see this. People of my sell alert tiers are going to know because I'm keeping an eye on this. And when it comes down to here, that's my sell. Well, if it pierces through, if I start to see the amber, I'm out. That's it. It's called off. I'm done. So we'll see what happens over the next few weeks. I still think we've got a couple of months left in the market from the time of recording this video. We will see what happens. We're good right now. Yeah? See you in the next video. Cheers.
Never be defeated.